Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to delete this record, right? So let's start the tutorial. So here I have added the action function, right? Action, delete. So for this one, let's check how we are maintaining in the view. So if I go to this view button, view blade, we have the delete operations, right? So let's check. We have this one, organization ID I'm passing in the data ID, right? And toggle model, it model will appear with the delete option. And let's check in the model what we are doing in the delete. So on this delete button, what we are doing, document, we are appending the attribute ID, the value ID, right? So the pop-up appears and check what the pop-up suggests. Let's check. Pop-up is the form and where the data is submitting. We need to take care of that, right? Are you sure you want to delete this organization? So it should be super admin, organization and delete. So this is the delete pop-up, right? This is the full delete pop-up, and where it when it will open, when you will click on this delete model, this is delete one. So it will open that model, and model in we are passing this organization ID, and when click on this button, we have bind this organization ID to the hidden field, right? In the hidden field we have bind it. Where the hidden field is, where put this one, hidden. We are passing, we are just on click, we are appending this in the with the value ID. If I go and check the below button, let's, this is delete model. Okay, let's check this one. This is written, I already explained you, dot delete button. If I click on the dot delete button, so this is delete ID is there, but we need to check the, see, model, and check where it was mentioned, delete dot delete. Let's check in the front end, right? Let's go to it and let's inspect this element. This is delete anchor class. We have delete one, right? On this button, click. We are getting the ID or data ID. If I go and check this code, this attribute get the data ID, and in hashtag ID we are saving the value, right? So after this, I will click on delete function. What 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 it will call? If I go to the form, it will call super admin organization delete, right? When I press this delete, this form will submit and it will delete that operation. Okay, so let's check this one. Let's go to the super admin controller and check delete organization function. It's the same one in the web routes, delete organization, right? So this is, let's check, like let's add a die over here and check. I'm going to put die over here, right? Let's reload, let's confirm this. So means that is the controller. That means we have sent the controller. Now we know how to manipulate the delete query, right? So here we have to just add user where id is equal to id and delete this. So there is a linking one, so we don't require it. Just we are getting the data, use the table where id is equal to whatever the id we are getting, and just mark delete, then it will return one. If I go and save this and reload this, what will happen? Organization deleted successfully, the data is gone. So this is very easy, right? So this is how we can delete and delete an any CRUD operation using this feature. Just you need to, if you want to open a pop-up, you want to directly click on that and submit the form, that is also you good. But if you do something like UI based or user friendly ways, that is perfect, that you are confirming the user whether you want to delete that. If it confirms, hit the API, that's it. You can also do it via Ajax also, but you can also using this by submitting the form and just render it and set the flash message. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.